Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn upload profile picture on LinkedIn. So let's get started. You have to go on your profile. You can go from here and you can go from here as well. I'm going to here on my profile, and here what you have to do, you have to simply click on this camera icon. Just simply click on it and then upload photo. You can use your camera. If you are using a laptop, you can take your picture from that, and if you have your picture saved in your PC or laptop, so you can upload from here. So this is my profile picture and I want to show this picture on my account. You can adjust it by zoom in or zoom out and its position. I think it's fit on my profile circle, so I don't want to make much changes in it. And you can use filters as well. It's as per your choice. I want to keep my picture as it is, so I am going to save it. As you can see guys, my profile picture has been uploaded on my profile. So guys, this is how to upload profile picture on LinkedIn. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.